Hello everyone, I am your traveler Gumrah Yatri. So today I am gonna make a video on this topic since I have thought of making a video on this topic from a long time, but eventually I did not found a news article or supporting material for these things. As we grew up in a highly competitive environment, almost every student have prepared or have gone through the competition in their life. For example, I was from science stream and I opted for JEE exam for getting admission into India's premier institutes like IITs. Every year, millions of students give exam for IITs and AIMS, but only some of them were able to get into it. What we don't see is the dark side of this competitive environment. Today I am reading a news article from the Hindu. This article states that the Black and White Scenes in Kota Factory, a web series on the dehumanizing experience of students, showed how dull and depressing it can get. According to recent reports, substance abuse, sleep-related issues, and anxiety are common among Kota students. Then one day the pressure cooker explodes and the dreams turn into nightmares. Data from the National Crime Records Bureau NCRB shows that the students are accounted for 8%, that is 13,089 of the total suicides in the country in 2021, with failure in examination is listed as one of the reasons. This is an increase of 70% in student suicides in a decade, up from 7,696 in 2011. As many as 24 students have died by suicide in Kota this year, the highest since the city emerged on the country's education landscape 3 decades ago. The prime reason is believed to be the academic pressure. The competition is fierce in 2023. Only a little over 22% of the 1.95 lakh students who registered for JEE Advanced qualified. Only those who have cleared JEE Main are eligible to take JEE Advanced. And let me know you about JEE Mains. Almost 1.1 or 1.2 million students give JEE Main examination, and out of 1.2 million students, only 200,000 were able to register for JEE Advanced, and out of 200,000, only 20,000 are able to get admission into IITs. So that's the reality. I have given the news article link in the comment section. Go check it out, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.